Greetings from my happy place on the sea in Stockholm. Erstaviksbadet this is, and I am all alone in this beautiful scene here in the Erstaviks Nature Reserve. It is 9th of September, 12 o'clock exactly, almost, and I traveled 16 kilometers with my bicycle, gravel bike Scott, to get here in a little bit of moderate tempo. At first I was hesitant if I was gonna make all the way to the sea, as I have the common cold a bit, and I wanted just to go to the Lake Flate, which is halfway through, but then I decided, yeah, I really want to feel the sea once again, and you just can't believe, I can't describe how happy I am when I hear the waves here on the sea, the Baltic Sea. It is so amazing, it is so beautiful. And it's a rather warm day, I would say, 20 degrees Celsius in the air. And the sun is coming up here and there with some clouds as well. And I am so happy to be able to take a swim in the sea and also enjoy a bit on the beach as well on this wonderful Tuesday, 9th September that is. So let's wait up for the sun to reappear again. And the sun is slowly coming back up, and let's then go in right away and check the temperature of the Baltic Sea. Last time I was here it was 12 or 13 days ago, and it was 19 degrees in the air and 16 in the sea. I feel like it's around the same in the sea that I am right now. And now I must say that the water is so much cleaner than last time, as last time it was a little bit of algae here, but now with the waves I think they have been pushed out to the coast or taken around on the other side towards the city. That's what it is. And the moment of truth, we have 19 degrees Celsius. It is warmer than last time, so yeah, it means that the sea is still swimmable and ready to take a swim in it. So let's then go ahead and take a swim at Erstaviksbadet, my happy place. I have been to visit so many times, and I'll just comment that I won't go right now on the beach to enjoy a swim on the sea in this wonderful nature, listening to the waves and in these crystal clear waters. It is so fascinating. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Erstaviksbadet, my happy place in Stockholm, actually located in Nacka. So yeah, the sun is a bit off and on, but yeah, that won't stop me from taking my swim for today. And soon actually I will be taking again the public transport for a month, as I want to explore a bit of the archipelago here in Stockholm. So let's see how that goes, which means that I'm gonna be taking a break a bit from the cycling adventures, but beach adventures there will be for sure. So are you ready? Ready, set, and go! Amazing, it's so beautiful. It's so nice because it's warm and you can definitely enjoy a lot. And I can see here when I came to the deeper areas that there are a bit of seaweed at the bottom, but yeah, it's still amazing, it's still cool, and now we're gonna have also a bit more sun before wrapping up this episode from Erstaviksbadet. So yeah, that's how it is, the weather in September. September has been so far almost the same as August. So let's see if it continues that way. But I heard that there are some rain on the horizon coming up. So with that said, and with this wonderful view of Erstaviksbadet, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure and to say thank you so much for watching this episode with me. And I'm gonna be definitely seeing you soon again in another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.